Hello, and thanks for joining me for this brief demo. Today we will be looking at one of our inferring AI automation apps called ContractCounsel. The AI-powered ContractCounsel assists in the review of legal contracts by marking them either green for good to go, yellow meaning caution or suggesting review, and red means needs significant review. Let's go ahead and take a look at the application before I get too ahead of myself. As you can see here, I've uploaded 3 different mock contracts for the AI to review. I did this by clicking New Contract, entering a contract title, a description, and then uploading the file. Then you just have to click Create Contract, and the AI will immediately begin analyzing it. Now, as I go through these 3 reviewed contracts, feel free to pause the video and take a deeper look at the responses, as the focus of this demo will be more of a broad overview of the application rather than going into each and every detail. Okay, now let's take a look at the first contract review. We have the report broken up into a few sections, which are the executive summary, specific items in the contract that require attention, an overall pros and cons list, and then recommended actions. As you can see, this contract has been marked as needs review, as it has a significant number of items requiring attention. The executive summary states that this is a highly unfavorable 3-year service agreement for risk management services that contains multiple one-sided provisions benefiting Miller Insurance Solutions. The contract creates an effectively perpetual obligation with minimal exit rights, unlimited indemnification requirements, and extremely restricted remedies for Sterling Manufacturing. So overall, yes, this contract looks bad and the application does provide specific reasons as to why throughout the response. However, you still have the ability to down below in the chat bar to further interrogate the contract and its details. Let's pick on this line for example. Consultant has unilateral right to increase fees by 25% at renewal. At this point, I can go down to the chat bar and type up something like, where exactly does it say the consultant has unilateral rights? As you can see in these results that are about to pop up, and yes, okay. As we can see from the results, it pulled up 3 different articles where it mentions unilateral rights. Now, if I wanted to, I can go to Contract Files, where I have my uploaded document, and view it and check for myself. One thing that is consistent amongst all of our custom applications is that the user always has the ability to go to the source referenced and confirm what the AI said for themselves. This is paramount when it comes to creating applications that advise and counsel rather than trying to give direct answers. As we know, we still want humans in the driver's seat. Okay, now before I wrap this short demo up, I will quickly go through the other 2 contracts, and again, please feel free to pause and look at the responses in more detail as I do. For the contract marked good, we see that there are very few items brought up and none are marked red for immediate review. The pros list clearly outweighs the cons, and the recommended actions are more about clarification and smoothing out details rather than immediate action needing to be taken. Overall, the contract has been marked good by the AI, but there are still things for the user to consider. Finally, we will take a look at the mutual NDA, which was marked caution. As you can see, there aren't too many items requiring attention, but there is one marked for immediate review. This automatically marks it overall for caution, as the small details are often the ones that go unnoticed in these contracts. If this demo piqued your interest, please click the link in the bio and schedule a demo on our website. We would love to show you a more in-depth look at ContractCounsel with a personal demo and get you on the way to your own free POC for a custom AI application. Thanks for watching and have a good day.